Yep, and we can watch the Packers on the big screen.
I mean, I can see the Packers battle on the big screen and enjoy Cornish game at their Temple Fort Local since every Sunday.
Look at how shitty it is.
Rent prices. See the Dove Inn on the corner of
Put your boots over here. We want to fill them up with water.
Okay. We'll talk them off this time.
Sorry there was so little. But I'll tell you.
Hey. Okay. I am washing my hair. You will watch, okay? Well, Abib washes his hair. Okay. Now, where can I put this damn thing? As you can see, no one is here but me, because I am Sissy Boy, and I do not go hunting because there are no deer. Nothing. Nobody shot one. Nothing. Okay? Now, I'll show you what time it is. 4:04. Right there it's about 2:02, maybe. Who gives? Now, back to me. Where am I? There I am, beautiful. Now, I think I see where I can put it. Is this hot? It's warm. Hot right here. It's warm. Okay, we almost have in position. No, back up some. We need to see all of Abib. Okay, now, you'll stay right there. I wash my hair. Okay. Water should be. Can you see me? Can you see me? Okay, let's see. Face, hat, if I. You see the red, orange hat? Yellow to me? Okay. Oh. How can I back this up? Push up like that. Oh, I hope this camera do not fall. It doesn't try. Okay. Let's see. I feel right back. Now, okay, there is soap in my hair. At least there was soap in my hair, and now it is drying, so I must get it out. So I take my two happy cups. They are very happy. If they're not happy, they don't work. Okay, into the water, bend it down. Ooh, hot water, burning my head. Ooh, warm water. Ooh, oh, this feels so good. Oh, I got over my pants. It's dripping down my skin. Rubber towel. Hello. How are you? How are you all? You happy? Well, here comes the star of our show.
Who the hell are you talking to, boy?
Whoops! You fall down, no? Here, I show you only man in damn cabin. Sleepy, sleep. Everybody else is left except us. Well, let's see what else do we need to bring out there. Backpack and my coat. Our beds are empty. Took the sheets off of them.